Take a look around your home. That toothbrush in your bathroom, the kitchen sponge you use daily, or the running shoes you rely on for your morning jog, how long have you had them? Many of us keep using everyday items long after they should have been replaced, often without realizing it. These common household products have hidden expiration dates or recommended replacement times that we frequently overlook in our busy lives. You might wonder why it matters. Well, using products past their prime can affect your health, hygiene, and how well they work. Many households neglect to replace these items on time, which can lead to potential health risks or products that simply don't do their job anymore. In this video, we'll shine a light on 24 everyday products you're probably using for too long. We'll explain why it's crucial to replace them, based on solid expert advice. You'll learn how often these items should be swapped out to keep your home safe, clean, and efficient. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Time to brush up. Your toothbrush's expiration date. That trusty toothbrush sitting in your bathroom might be past its prime. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, and for good reason. Over time, the bristles wear down and become less effective at cleaning your teeth. But that's not all. Used toothbrushes can harbor a lot of bacteria, which isn't something you want to put in your mouth twice a day. If you notice the bristles becoming frayed or splayed out, it's definitely time for a new one. Make it a habit to buy a new toothbrush with the change of each season to keep your oral hygiene in top shape. Number 2. Sweet dreams are made of fresh pillows. Your pillow does more than just cradle your head at night. It plays a crucial role in your sleep quality and overall health. Most people don't realize that pillows should be replaced every 1 to 2 years. Over time, pillows lose their shape and support, which can lead to neck pain and poor sleep posture. They also accumulate dust mites, dead skin cells, and other allergens that can trigger allergies or asthma symptoms. If you wake up with a stiff neck or find yourself constantly fluffing your pillow to get comfortable, it's probably time for a new one. Invest in your sleep and health by replacing your pillows regularly. Number 3. Life-saving beeps. Smoke detector battery check. Your smoke detector is a silent guardian, but it needs your attention to do its job properly. The National Fire Protection Association highly recommends replacing smoke detector batteries at least once a year. Even if your detectors are hardwired, they have backup batteries that need regular replacement to ensure they work during power outages. Pick a memorable date, like daylight saving time, to change all your smoke detector batteries. While you're at it, test each detector to make sure it's working properly. This simple annual task could literally save your life in an emergency. Number 4. Mascara magic. When to toss your tube. Ladies, and mascara-wearing gents, this one's for you. That tube of mascara in your makeup bag has a shorter lifespan than you might think. Makeup experts recommend replacing mascara every 3 months. Why so often? The dark, moist environment inside the mascara tube is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Using old mascara can lead to eye infections, irritation, or even more serious conditions. Plus, old mascara tends to clump and doesn't apply as smoothly, so you're not even getting the best look out of it. Mark your calendar when you open a new tube, and when 3 months are up, treat yourself to a fresh one for healthier, more beautiful eyes. Number 5. Sun-safe habits. Sunscreen expiration. Sunscreen is your skin's best defense against harmful UV rays, but it doesn't last forever. Dermatologists advise replacing sunscreen 6 months to 1 year after opening, even if the bottle isn't empty. The active ingredients in sunscreen break down over time, especially when exposed to heat or direct sunlight. This degradation reduces the sunscreen's effectiveness in protecting your skin. Check the expiration date on your sunscreen bottles and toss any that are past their prime. When you buy new sunscreen, store it in a cool, dry place to help it last longer. Remember, protecting your skin is a year-round job, so always have fresh sunscreen on hand. Number 6. The secret life of kitchen sponges. That innocent-looking kitchen sponge is hiding a dirty secret. It's probably the germiest item in your entire house. Kitchen sponges should be replaced every 1 to 2 weeks, which might surprise many people. These porous cleaning tools quickly become breeding grounds for bacteria, yeast, and mold. Even if you think you're cleaning your sponge regularly, studies have shown that common cleaning methods don't effectively remove all the harmful microorganisms. To keep your kitchen truly clean and sanitary, start each month with 2 new sponges and swap them out halfway through. Your dishes and your health will thank you. Number 7. Clear vision. The importance of fresh contact lens cases. For contact lens wearers, your lens case is just as important as the lenses themselves. Most optometrists recommend replacing contact lens cases every 3 months. These small containers can harbor harmful bacteria that may cause serious eye infections if not properly maintained. Even with regular cleaning, biofilms can form inside the case, providing a protective environment for bacteria to grow. When you replace your case, make sure to clean it daily and always use fresh solution, never top off old solution. Your eyes are too important to risk with an old, contaminated lens case. Number 8. The shower curtain liner, an often overlooked culprit. Your shower curtain liner works hard to keep water in your shower, but it's also a hotspot for mold and mildew growth. Most people don't realize that shower curtain liners should be replaced every 6 months. The constant exposure to water and humidity creates the perfect environment for harmful microorganisms to thrive. These can cause respiratory issues and skin irritations, especially in high humidity areas. If you notice black spots, discoloration, or a musty smell coming from your shower curtain liner, it's definitely time for a new one. Pro tip: choose a liner with antimicrobial properties to help extend its life between replacements. Number 9. Loofah Alert, the shower accessory that needs frequent swaps. Your loofah might make you feel squeaky clean, but it could be doing more harm than good if you've had it for too long. These shower accessories should be replaced every 3 to 4 weeks. Loofahs are perfect breeding grounds for bacteria and mold because they retain moisture and hang out in the warm, humid environment of your bathroom. Using an old loofah can increase your risk of skin infections, especially if you have any cuts or scrapes. To keep your skin healthy, replace your loofah monthly and make sure to hang it in a well-ventilated area between uses to help it dry out completely. Number 10. The sharp truth about razor blades. A good shave starts with a sharp, clean razor, but many people use their blades for far too long. Dermatologists suggest replacing razor blades after 5 to 7 uses. Using a dull razor not only gives you a less effective shave, but also increases your risk of cuts, irritation, and potential infections. Bacteria can build up on used blades, especially in the moist environment of your bathroom. If you notice your razor pulling at your hair, causing irritation, or simply not giving you a close shave anymore, it's time for a new blade. Your skin deserves better than a dull, bacteria-laden razor. Number 11. The towel timeline, when fluff turns tough. Your bath towels work hard for you every day, but they don't last forever. Most towels need to be replaced every 2 to 3 years, depending on their quality and how often they're used. Over time, towels lose their absorbency and softness, making them less effective and less pleasant to use. They can also accumulate bacteria, especially if they don't dry completely between uses. If your towels have a musty smell that doesn't go away after washing, or if they're no longer absorbing water effectively, it's time for new ones. Treat yourself to some fresh, fluffy towels. Your skin will appreciate the upgrade. Number 12. Clean water, clean filter, keeping your H2O pure. If you use a water filter to improve the taste and quality of your drinking water, remember that the filter itself needs regular attention. Most water filters should be replaced every 2 to 6 months, depending on usage and water quality. An overused filter can become clogged with contaminants, reducing its effectiveness and potentially allowing harmful substances into your drinking water. Some filters have indicators to let you know when it's time for a change, but if yours doesn't, mark your calendar when you install a new filter. Regular replacements ensure you're always drinking the cleanest, safest water possible. Number 13. Brush up on hair care, hairbrush replacement. Your hairbrush might seem like a long-lasting tool, but it needs regular replacement too. According to Women's Health magazine, you should replace your hairbrush every 6 to 12 months. Over time, hairbrushes collect hair, oils, and styling product residues, which can be hard to clean completely. This buildup can redeposit onto clean hair and potentially lead to scalp issues. If you notice your brush has bent or missing bristles, or if it has an odd smell even after cleaning, it's definitely time for a new one. A fresh brush will help keep your hair and scalp healthier and make styling easier. Number 14. Makeup brush makeover, your skin's best friend. Your makeup brushes are essential tools for creating beautiful looks, but they need regular replacement to keep your skin healthy. Most makeup artists recommend replacing brushes every 1 to 3 years, depending on their quality and how well they're maintained. Even with regular cleaning, brushes accumulate bacteria, oils, and makeup residue over time, which can lead to skin irritation and breakouts. If you notice your brushes shedding, losing their shape, or not applying makeup as smoothly as they used to, it's time for new ones. Investing in fresh brushes will not only improve your makeup application, but also help keep your skin clear and healthy. Number 15. Run, replace, repeat. The lifespan of running shoes. For runners and fitness enthusiasts, your running shoes are more than just footwear. They're essential equipment for your health and performance. Sports medicine experts recommend replacing running shoes every 300 to 500 miles. This might seem frequent, but the cushioning and support in running shoes degrade over time, even if they still look fine on the outside. Worn-out shoes can increase your risk of injury and reduce the effectiveness of your workouts. Keep track of your mileage, and when you hit that 300 to 500 mile mark, treat your feet to a new pair. Your joints will thank you for the fresh cushioning and support. Number 16. Sweet dreams, the mattress life cycle. Your mattress plays a crucial role in your sleep quality and overall health, but many people keep theirs far too long. Experts recommend replacing your mattress every 7 to 10 years. Over time, mattresses lose their support and accumulate allergens like dust mites, which can affect both your sleep quality and health. If you wake up with aches and pains, or if you sleep better in hotels than at home, it might be time for a new mattress. When shopping for a replacement, consider your sleep preferences and any changes in your body or health since your last purchase. A good mattress is an investment in your health and well-being, so choose wisely. Number 17. Stick to safety, non-stick cookware replacement. Non-stick cookware makes cooking and cleaning easier, but it doesn't last forever. Most manufacturers recommend replacing non-stick pans every 5 years, or sooner if you notice damage. The non-stick coating can wear off over time, especially with frequent use or improper care. When this happens, not only does food start to stick, but the pan can release potentially harmful fumes when heated. Keep an eye on your pan's surfaces. If you see scratches, flaking, or discoloration, it's time for new ones. Invest in quality cookware and follow proper care instructions to extend its life and keep your cooking safe and enjoyable. Number 18. Clear view ahead, car wiper blade lifespan. Your car's wiper blades are crucial for safe driving, especially in bad weather. Auto experts recommend replacing wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Wiper blades are exposed to heat, cold, and UV rays, which cause the rubber to break down over time. Worn-out blades can cause streaking and reduce visibility, especially during heavy rain or snowstorms. This compromises your safety on the road. If you notice your wipers skipping, squeaking, or leaving streaks on your windshield, don't wait, replace them right away. Good visibility is essential for safe driving in all weather conditions. Number 19. Kitchen cleanup, the dish towel timeline. Dish towels are workhorses in the kitchen, but they need regular replacement to stay hygienic. Most household experts suggest replacing dish towels every 1 to 2 years. Over time, dish towels can harbor bacteria and food particles, even with regular washing. Their fibers also break down, reducing their cleaning efficiency. If your dish towels have stains that won't come out, holes, or a persistent odor, it's time for new ones. When you replace your dish towels, consider buying enough to rotate them frequently. This will help extend their life and keep your kitchen cleaner. Number 20. Head protection, bike helmet safety. For cyclists, a good helmet is literally a lifesaver. But helmets don't last forever. Safety experts recommend replacing bike helmets every 3 to 5 years, or immediately after any crash. The materials in helmets degrade over time due to exposure to sunlight, heat, and regular wear and tear. This degradation can compromise the helmet's ability to protect you in a crash. Even if a helmet looks fine after a minor fall, it might have invisible damage that reduces its effectiveness. Don't take chances with your safety. Mark your calendar to replace your helmet regularly, and always get a new one after a crash, no matter how minor. Number 21. Bathroom basics, bath mat replacement. Your bath mat might seem like a simple item, but it plays a big role in bathroom hygiene. Home care experts recommend replacing bath mats every 1 to 2 years. Bath mats are constantly exposed to water and moisture, which can lead to mold growth and deterioration of the material. If your bath mat has a musty smell, visible mold, or feels less absorbent than it used to, it's time for a new one. When shopping for a replacement, look for mats with anti-slip backing and good absorbency. A fresh bath mat not only looks better, but also helps keep your bathroom safer and more hygienic. Number 22. Lip care. Balm expiration dates. That trusty tube of lip balm in your pocket might be past its prime. Dermatologists recommend replacing lip balm every 6 to 12 months. Lip balm tubes can trap bacteria, especially when frequently applied to cracked or dry lips. This can lead to infections or irritation over time. The active ingredients in lip balms can also break down, making them less effective. If your lip balm has changed color, texture, or smell, toss it immediately. When you buy a new lip balm, write the date on the tube so you'll know when it's time to replace it. Number 23. Fresh Start. Deodorant replacement. Your deodorant is a daily essential, but it doesn't last forever. Most personal care experts suggest replacing deodorant every year, or sooner if you notice changes in its effectiveness. The active ingredients in deodorant can break down over time, leading to decreased odor protection. If you find yourself reapplying more often than usual, or if the product's texture or smell has changed, it's time for a new one. When you open a new deodorant, make a note in your phone or calendar to replace it in a year. This simple habit will ensure you're always getting the best protection. Number 24. Clean Sweep. Household cleaner expiration. Even your cleaning products have an expiration date. Most manufacturers recommend replacing household cleaners after 1 to 2 years. The active ingredients in cleaning products can degrade over time, making them less effective. Some products might even become harmful if used past their prime. Check the labels on your cleaning supplies for expiration dates or manufacturing dates. If a product has changed color, smell, or consistency, it's best to replace it. When you buy new cleaning products, write the purchase date on the bottle with a permanent marker. This will help you keep track of when it's time for a refresh. Your Home Refresh Action Plan. Now that we've gone through these 24 everyday items, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. Don't worry, you don't need to replace everything at once. Start by checking the items you use most frequently, like your toothbrush or kitchen sponge. Then, work your way through the rest of the list over time. Consider creating a simple replacement schedule. This way, you won't have to remember everything. Your schedule will do the remembering for you. Remember, replacing these items isn't just about being tidy or organized. It's about maintaining a healthy, safe, and efficient home environment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.